I was the shadow of the waxwing slain by the false azure in the window pane. Time to do dishes. Careful! The sun is coming out though. Maybe we should still go. It's gonna be some sweet oatmeal.
You think those are ripe enough?
Yeah, actually I do. Oh!
Wait, show it off. I want to show off the spelling on Vermont. Vermont syrup.
That's ridiculous. Okay, want some liquid sugar?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. The breakfast in bed series continues.
Thank you.
That's gonna be so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow. Happy Saturday!
Thanks.
Day 27?
Yeah.
Day 27 of Inktober. A, ching ching.
Ching ching.
Ready? Oh, I'm so pumped.
Not our train.
Not our train. The land zips past, and I feel I'm starting to understand Porto. Refracted light on a window pane, white birds in a blue sky, center and periphery. A staircase leading down, one face hidden until you're at the bottom. Far from the maddening crowds, from the colorful, bustling waterfront, we find a Porto left behind, decaying next door to luxury developments. Out here on the other side of the bridge, you can feel the natural world taking over. Green slowly devours red. Leaves flutter in the breeze. We let our minds wander through these buildings, to not so distant times, to 20 euros a month rent, to a depression mislabeled as a recession. How quickly it all falls apart. This is how it was and how it will be once more. If I wore a watch, the arms would be spinning in confusion. Time stands still and escapes us as we explore a new location. We stop to take in all the little details, and with this pause, find the space to realize that something inside us has shifted. Just 2 months ago, we were arriving in Lisbon. In the heat of the summer, we couldn't contain our eagerness to explore and to escape the sauna that was our home. We ran all over the city searching for stories, but somehow, in the course of the last 2 months, life inside the van has settled. We've created a new normal, calmer and more comfortable. I think we finally realized that van life isn't a short holiday that needs to be packed with visits to every monument and museum. It's okay to explore at our own pace. Fill our days with quiet moments, peaceful strolls, and maybe just one sightseeing adventure.